Thank you, ladies and gents. The future of Ripple, the return of XRP, the Grayscale Fund, and a bit about the XRP ETF are things we will talk about today. Now, let's begin. According to a Wall Street financial expert, this is huge for XRP. Linda Jones, a Wall Street financial expert, has talked a lot about XRP's huge potential and agreed that the asset could soon become worth a crazy amount of money. Linda Jones, a financial analyst on Wall Street, said in a statement that XRP has a lot of promise. Said that users are just at the start of a development that will change the game. Jones says that the digitization of business is a much bigger chance than the digitization of information in the beginning. We're still in the first stage. Digitizing business is a much bigger chance than digitizing conversation, which is what the internet did. Jones's most recent comments came in reaction to something an XRP fan said about how she saw the investment opportunities with Ripple and XRP after an interview. XRP needs a huge thing. Jones talked about how important it is to find future leaders when thinking about investments in the chat. She says that XRP stands out because it works on cross border payments, which is something that David Schwartz from Ripple says is a big use case. He also talked about how important Ripple is for helping countries create CBDC, bringing attention to the unmatched size of this group. She said that was the biggest investment she had ever made with government money. There are many trillions of dollars in it. That is usually the most exciting and big business chance you can think. Jones also talked about how XRP ledgers are changing the banking and financial services industries with their complex technology. It saves time and money for businesses, she said. So she said that XRP was a technology that could change the way traditional banking services work. She also talked about the timing of the business cycle. She said that 2084 is a very important year for artificial intelligence, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and fintech, which lines up with the upcoming vertical change in the innovation S curve. Jones finally said that Ripple and XRP are great in every important way, which makes them a great business choice. In response, an XRP supporter said, "This is very big. The amount of money that is about to flood the XRP system will be crazy." The financial analyst on Wall Street agreed, working with governments, central banks, making payments across borders, and all these other things are cool for the community and the XRP ledger. Huge amount of money is being sent, but there's a catch. To be clear, XRP and XRP are not the same thing. There is a link between them, but none of them will change the price of the base asset much. And the Solana blockchain, for example, the price of Solana does not change when a new coin is added. It's the same here. Adding fuel to the environment doesn't mean that XRP will grow. Things like the end of all legal problems and the possible launch of the XRP ETF could make its price go up. Something else might be in the works at Ripple, but we don't know this yet. These are the times when people will start to trust a coin again and put money into it. We're going to talk more about it. It's good for the company and the environment, but it won't make the price go up. Now for the next bit of news. Grayscale's GDLC fund now has ESCRP in it. When will XRP ETF come out? Grayscale has put XRP back to the digital large cap fund, which is one of its biggest investment product by ARM. This has made people think that an XRPF product might be coming out soon. In a press release sent out last night, the digital asset investment company said this. One important thing that was said in the statement was that some of Grayscale's investment products, like the Grayscale Smart Contract Platform ethereum fund, would be rebalanced every 3 months. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Cardano, and Avalanche were all in the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. The fund's goal is to give buyers access to some of the biggest crypto assets by market capitalization. In their most recent announcement, the business did say that they had sold some parts to get more Avalanche tokens and XR tokens as part of their quarterly rebalancing process. After that, they replaced Matic with XRP and added it back to the fund. That's why XRP now controls 2.55 of the fund's market cap, just below Bitcoin's 69.15, Ethereum's 21.9, and Solana's 3.65. The GDLC fund is Grayscale's third most popular investment option, with an amazing $378 million in assets under control. Grayscale took XRP before. You may remember that Grayscale had XRP in the fund before the CC sued Ripple and its leaders. They'll after the government charged Ripple with selling stocks without a license. There were big sell-offs of XRP, which caused its market cap to drop. As a result, Grayscale took XRP out of the fund January 4th, 2021. During the court case, the company sold its XRP shares and used the money to buy other assets in the fund. But since the important decision in July 2023 that said XRP wasn't a security, there have been more calls for Grayscale to break. Now, it's important to note that these calls came up after the exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken added XRP back to their list. As Grayscale said in its most current statement, the ruling helped XRP meet the requirements to join the GD. XRP is possible. The recent event has made XRP supporters very happy, and some are now looking forward to the launch of a spot. Notably, top asset managers have been looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum for spot ETFs, but XRP has gotten little attention. Even though it is the only altcoin that is legally clear in the US, people in the industry have asked why asset management companies like BlackRock haven't tried to get an XRP ETF put on the market. There is news of it, and the BlackRock shares SRPP came out in November of last year. The price of XRP went through the roof. When it turned out to be fake, though, the symbol lost some of its value. Grayscale had earlier paid for a crypto watch show on CNBC that showed the price of XRP, PCNE. This added to rumors that an XRCPFP was on the way. Remember that Grayscale also closed down its XRP trust in January 21 because the CC sued them. Market watchers are looking forward to the release of an XRP now that the investment company has added the cryptocurrency back to the GDLC fund. The company hasn't said anything about such a device yet, though. Yeah, big change of heart, to put it simply. Of course, they too. Everyone doesn't need all of these legal issues. Things returned to normal when XRP was found to not be a security. Now let's talk about ETFs. I don't see a reason to rush through it. They need to be careful to do everything one step at a time so that they don't anger the SEC again by being rude. They start by accepting the ETF for Bitcoin, then for Ethereum, and finally for XRP. I believe that XRP ETF will be here in a year or two. Yes, as long as they accept Bitcoin ETF. But it looks like January 10th will be a holiday for all cryptons. I don't know anything secret, guys. But based on what I see and hear, I think the chances of approval are very good. Let's see what's going on in the market. So get ready. Bitcoin time range of 4 hours. This chart has a wedge shape because it has a lot of higher lows and lower highs, as well as a lot of short trades. It's still not clear where the end will be, but Bitcoin has been going up. We might be able to sell the 45 from these short